I'm back with you cutie pies with another vlog. But today I'm gonna come up here and sit down with you guys and talk for a quick second before I go ahead and get to this video. I want you guys to go ahead and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow all my social pages linked down in the description box below. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay guys, I want to quickly say this before I forget or anything, but I just realized that since this year is now a new year and I'm going to finally sit down and just discuss stuff with you guys, that I've been doing a long journey of what I want to do for YouTube, what I've been changing on, and I realized last night that I've been where I first began of doing YouTube, I was just expressing how I was homeschooled, what I do for a living, and what I like to do, and then I ended up changing it into doing recreates, which is bomb because I love doing recreates. I love making clothes. I like creating things with my hands, and then I changed it to do makeup. Then I changed it to doing vlogs. Change it to do say about fashion. Then I changed it back to doing recreates. Now I'm doing vlogs, which I'm saying is my channel was all around everything because I was trying to figure out myself, which is not a bad thing because you're trying to figure out who you want to give record for, or give at least advice to, or figure out who you want to make your videos for. And I realized last night I want to make the videos for myself, but I know that you guys are also gonna be on the journey with me. So what better way to introduce myself, or better way to do things that I like but also make it convenient for you guys, mostly for me, because I've been wanting to get back to my groovy things. So I love vlogging because it's I can do what I want, show you guys the best days of my life, record my best of my life. But I also know that I like to do my clothing, and so it came to me the other day, why not to do both? All my ideas, I had help. I'm not gonna lie, I had help. But I was why not do something that is both? I can vlog, but also do DIYs at the same time. Because I love doing my recreates, and I know you guys love my recreates, because all my recreates, you guys have been part of, been there for day one and stuff like that. So, yeah. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do more back my recreates. I'm gonna add into my vlogs instead of separating them. There's gonna be times where I separate them, but let's go ahead and get into this video and show you guys of what I'm gonna do for today. So today I need to make a list or a planner of what I'm doing things, because I need to go ahead and take a shower. Secondly, I need to go ahead and sit down plan, because I was studying the algorithm of trying to figure out what should I do for you guys and help with that. Then that's when the idea came to me, I should do vlogs and recreates at the same time. But I also something told me to go to Instagram to go and look at things, so I did. And girl, when I tell you, I looked through Instagram, I went to my girls of the day of what she do. I went to Chloe's, I went to my Queen Bee Beyonce, I went to Cardi B, I went to who else? Cardi B, Beyonce. Oh, I went to SZA because I heard about her new song came out, or her album came out. But I went to back to Chloe's page and I see this one for outfit that I really, really, really love. So I'm gonna go try and recreate that. So yeah, you're gonna be here behind the scenes of how I recreate my outfits. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys what I had to do. Or let's go ahead and get our video started. We can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played those all night with me, oh, don't you? Before I get started on doing the outfit, which I have my things already set for that, My mom, like special lovely mom, got me this journal, which I definitely needed because I was like over here today. Like I'm going to make a bulletin journal so I can make sure I can start being more organized with my work and stuff. So I got me a journal so I can write down it. I can be on my calendar right down there so I can just go ahead and add on my day so I can post and stuff. And I also got me another calendar I can hang on one of my walls, which I don't know which one to put because that one's covered. I could put it there, but I'm not going to be looking that way so much. Could put it there, but still, again, I'm not going to be looking that way. The most I'll be looking at is this area, and this is my wall. Like, because I have to leave every single time I leave out, I look that way for some odd reason. Then she also got me a cute red pen, and I can write down on it. It's very, like, inkable. Not inkable. It's very durable for inks or anything that I water. So, yeah, I like that. Oh, and also, guys, I got me cute pens. My mom has this kind of pen. I'm like, I always wanted one of these, but, like, I ain't gonna get it. But I really love how I'm these ones because I got one that's pearl over there for my pens over that. And I got ones like these, and then it got diamonds. So I can look fancy. Like, look at my hand when I write it. It's fancy. It's fancy. Not only did I get that, I got me some nails. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing me some nails. Just press them on and look cute and fancy after that. So, yeah. Now, on to making the outfit. Hey, kitties, I have been, like, indecisive for a while because, like, first I originally wanted to do with this top, but then I'm like, it's not going to be the same because it's a different top, but it's, like, crop. So, I've been doing this thing that I always do every time I make a DIY. I go back and forth, be like, I'm going to go with this, not this, then I start stressing out. Then I come to a realization that I have something, and I do. I need, like a bodice that is, like, kind of sweetheart, but not. I found it. Thanks for mom, because that's how I get most of my clothes, guys. I go through her clothes when she's getting rid of stuff and take it. But sometimes I also go in there when she's not getting rid of stuff and just borrow it. Yeah, so I found this one. I'm going to end up trying to make a trace powder out of this. So I'm probably going to get, I don't got my powder paper in here. But I do got regular paper, which I can enhance this stuff. So I can make it like a bodice so I can like put in sections. So yeah, that's gonna be a head right to quick. But I do got my bottoms though. These I'm gonna go with this because it's kind of like short, but not too short because it fits me perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the powder for the bottoms, and then I'm gonna cut a piece of paper so I can trace with this with my top, and then we can go ahead and cut. So yeah, be back when I finish cutting this, or I might just do like a little short for that. Top part for where the bust is, and I got the middle part, the two sides, and the back, and I got two parts of the skirt, which I need to get. I already got the waist right there, and then we got the hem. So that's pretty much. I just need the elastic for that. So hey, we're gonna go ahead and pin these two together. Like since we got to cut two of these out, we're gonna pin these together. Then we're going to pin these to that, and then we're going to pin these to that, and then we're going to pin that to that. So first off, we're going to pin these together and sew that, so people can see us a bit. Hold on guys, let me pause. Okay guys, this is what it looks so far. It's looking nice, like look. I'm getting good at my sewing. Like before when I first started, I couldn't even do like a top, like a nice top. Now my skills is getting there. All I gotta do now is sew all the seams of the top part. Like I said, sew this part down, this all around, and then I finished because I already sewed this part of the top, the bottom piece. I did like a lettuce look, so it can be like a little fringe, but you still have like the fur and stuff, so it doesn't come undone. So yeah. Getting dressed, did my makeup. I should have recorded that, didn't, but it was a rush process, so I did that. And now I just took pictures of my outfit. I'm going to do more pictures like these, but if you want to see the pictures I did today, you're going to have to go to my Instagram and check that out. So go ahead and follow my Instagram. Yeah, so that's just really kids. I hope you guys enjoy it. I really love this outfit. It's like one of my favorites because I did a bomb job on the top, did a bomb job on the skirt, and it looks so cute. Like, who is she? Like, I look like I was in the Victorian style, but also modern and still looking cute and hip with my fur outfit. So definitely check out my photos of that. It looks so cute. And yeah, that's this video case. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the little bell to know if I post a video, because I do more videos like these on my recreates and vlogs. Check that out. And makeup. So go check that out, and also don't forget to go follow my social media pages where I have my Instagram photos of the day, TikTok where I be funny, and Twitter where I really tweet over there, but I still tweet over there sometimes, whatever, it depends on the day, stuff like that. So go ahead and check my Twitter out, and I'll link it down in the description box below where my link tree is, so you can go ahead and follow me all at once right there. And yeah, that's this video, guys, and I hope to see you guys next vid. Bye, cutie. Cutie out.
I ask myself.